guys, I'm always receiving many questions about the situation of Harry Kane, because we know that during the week, Bayern, for the very first time, submitted a bid for Harry Kane, 70 million euros plus add-ons, absolutely not enough to convince Tottenham. It was not even a negotiation. Tottenham immediately said no to that kind of possibility, and they didn't consider that bid as something concrete or serious. So the intention of Daniel Livy, Tottenham chairman, remains the same, no intention to sell the player, and the idea is to continue with Harry Kane, to have a conversation, a direct conversation between Harry Kane and Nangi Poste Koglu to discuss about the project and to understand how to continue together.